When switching from US Cellular to a new carrier, you need specific information to ensure a smooth port-out process. Understanding these requirements beforehand will save you time and prevent delays. The first requirement is your US Cellular account number. This is a 9 to 10-digit number that uniquely identifies your account. You can find this number on your monthly bill, in your online account portal, or by calling customer service. The second critical requirement is your transfer PIN, also called a port authorization code. This is a 4 to 6-digit security code that authorizes the port. The PIN is valid for 30 days from when it's generated. You can obtain your transfer PIN in 3 ways: by calling US Cellular customer service at 1-888-944-9400, logging into your online account management portal, or visiting any US Cellular retail store in person. US Cellular retail stores are conveniently located and staffed with representatives who can help you obtain your transfer PIN and verify your account information. In addition to your account number and transfer PIN, you'll need 3 more pieces of information. The account holder's full name must match exactly what's on file. You'll also need the service address associated with your account and the last 4 digits of the account holder's Social Security number. Remember, all information must match your account records exactly. Any discrepancies can cause delays in the porting process, so double-check everything before submitting your port request. Having all these requirements ready before starting your port-out process will ensure a smooth transition to your new carrier. Make sure to gather this information and verify its accuracy to avoid any delays in switching your service. Now we'll walk through the complete step-by-step process for porting your number out from US Cellular. This process typically takes between 2 to 24 hours and involves several important stages. Step 1 is gathering all necessary information. You'll need your US Cellular account number, which is typically 9 to 10 digits and can be found on your monthly bill or online account. You'll also need a transfer PIN, which is a 4 to 6-digit security code that authorizes the port. Step 2 involves choosing your new carrier and service plan. Make sure to verify that your current device is compatible with the new carrier's network, or be prepared to get a new device if needed. Step 3 is contacting your new carrier to initiate the port request. Provide them with all the US Cellular account information you gathered in Step 1. It's best to do this during business hours for faster processing. Step 4 is the verification and processing stage. Your new carrier submits the port request to US Cellular, who then verifies all the information you provided. If everything matches their records, US Cellular approves the request. Step 5 is the completion phase. Once approved, the porting process typically takes 2 to 24 hours for wireless numbers. Your service will automatically transfer to the new carrier, your US Cellular service will be terminated, and you'll receive a final bill for any remaining charges. Remember, it's crucial to keep your US Cellular service active throughout the entire porting process. Do not cancel your US Cellular service until the port is completely finished, as this could result in losing your phone number permanently.